Are you planning to pursue a career in finance and confused which MBA college is best choice for you? Then stick to the end of this video as we will be covering top 10 MBA colleges in India with their fees, average salaries, highest packages, entrance exam and everything you need to know. Hello guys, this is Kripa Shukla and you are watching Fintelligence, your premium finance content provider. Let's get started with our ranking. On the 10th rank, we have Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, also famously known as CEO Factory, which has been in the game for over 50 years. Located in the financial capital of India, JBIMS can be a very good option for you. MBA here will cost you around 6 lakhs, which has a very good ROI if you look at the average salary. The average salary here is around 26.12 LPA, while the highest is 87 LPA. Companies like HSBC, Edelweiss, Standard Chartered, McKinsey and BCG come here to hire for the roles like investment and corporate banking, credit risk, M&A advisors, management consulting and many other core finance roles. If you want to get into JBIMS, you can take any of the entrance exam, MHACET, CMAT or CAT. On the 9th rank, we have SP Jain Institute of Management and Research, which is also located in the heart of Mumbai. One of the biggest highlights of SP Jain is that they have placed 100% of their batch for over 2 decades. Your full-time 2-year MBA will cost you 22.5 lakhs. The average salary is around 33 LPA and the highest salary touches to 81 LPA. Companies like American Express, Barclays, BCG, EY come here to hire for front-end investment banking roles and core banking roles and also consulting roles. If you want to join SP Jain, then you have to crack any of these exams, that is CAT or GMAT. Let's move to our next college in the list. From here, things change. Now, you will see more and more investment banks coming in. The roles here will be very premium. Next, on the 8th rank, we have IIM Indore. Here, full-time MBA will cost you around 22 lakhs. IIM Indore has an average salary of 25 LPA and their highest salary reaches to exactly 1 CR. Here, you will see top investment banks and finance companies like Bank of America, Barclays, Citi, Crystal, JP Morgan Chase & Co., Morgan Stanley, Nomura, and many more. They hire for the core roles like corporate banking, equity research, financial advisory and reporting, global risk, fund advisory, investment banking and insurance strategy roles. To get into IIM Indore, you have to crack CAT, GMAT, GRE exam. At the 7th rank, we have IIM Kozhikode. Your full-time 2-year MBA here will cost you around 22.5 lakhs. It offers an average salary of 26 LPA and the highest salary of 72 LPA. On the campus placement, companies like Citibank, DE Shaw, Deutsche Bank, Goldman Sachs, Nomura, JP Morgan Chase & Co. and Standard Chartered offer diverse finance roles like investment banking, private equity and venture capital roles. At the 6th rank, we have FMS Delhi, one of the best ROI MBA programs in India. An MBA here will cost you just 2 lakhs. Despite the low fees, FMS boasts an impressive average salary of 34 LPA with the highest reaching to 1.23 CR. Companies like American Express, Morgan Stanley, Nomura and Standard Chartered hire for core finance and investment banking roles, including front-end investment banking, corporate finance, corporate banking, wealth management and treasury. On the 5th rank, we have XLRI Jamshedpur. Here, your MBA will cost you around 28.6 lakhs with an average salary of 29.8 LPA and highest reaching to 75 LPA. XLRI has a strong finance placement record and you need to crack the XAT exam to get into. Companies like Citi, DBS, DE Shaw, Deutsche, Goldman Sachs and JPMC hire for roles like front-end investment banking, asset management, portfolio management, global and corporate banking, wealth management, global markets, equity research and retail banking. At the 4th rank, we have IIM Lucknow. The MBA program here costs around 20.75 lakhs. Average salary stands at 30 LPA, and the highest package goes up to 1.23 crore. Recruiters like Citi, Deutsche, Goldman Sachs, British International Investment offer some best finance roles in the country. Now, moving to the top 3. On the third rank, we have IIM Bangalore. Your MBA here will cost you 26 lakh. The average salary is 35.92 LPA and the highest package reaches to 1.15 CR. Companies like McKinsey, Bain & Co., Goldman Sachs, American Express hire for top finance roles. At the second rank, we have IIM Ahmedabad. Here, your MBA will cost you 22 lakhs. The average salary is 34.36 LPA and the highest package stands 1.15 CR. Top recruiters including Avengers Capital, Bank of America, Citibank, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, HSBC. In the private equity and venture capital domain, firms like Westbridge Capital, White Oak Capital Asset Management, RTP Global, Multiple Alternate Asset Management, and Square Capital also participate in hiring. At the first rank, we have IIM Calcutta. An MBA from IIM Calcutta costs you 26 lakh with the average salary 35.7 LPA and the highest package reaches to 1.2 CR. Top finance recruiters like Bank of America, Barclays, Citi, Goldman Sachs, HSBC, JPMC, and McKinsey. So that wraps up our list of top 10 MBA colleges for finance in India. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fintelligence for more premium finance content. See you in the next one.